If you're planning a trip to the W Costa Rica, then you've already wondered if the Away Spa is worth your time and your money. Today we're going to take you inside. We're going to give you a look around. We'll talk through the different services offered. We'll take you on a full tour and give you an inside look.
This is the ultimate guide to the Away Spa at the W Costa Rica.
So in this video, we're taking you inside the spa, showing you the treatment areas and amenities, and answering the internet's biggest questions, giving you our honest recommendation for how this fits into your stay. And if you're planning the bigger Costa Rica trip, we also made a free Costa Rica travel guide you can grab at the link in the description. The Away Spa is a full-service spa here at the W Costa Rica, and it's designed to be the resort's more quiet, restorative space. If you think about the vibe of the W Costa Rica as a whole, being like chill step, party space with the beach, the pools, the bars, and the activity around the property, then the spa downshifts from that into a much quieter escape, all with that polished W-style atmosphere. Before we go for a tour of the spa, let's just talk about where it is on the property. The spa is located directly next to the Fit Gym. If you start from the main space here, where the arrival and the lobby are, and you walk down the path toward the beach, the spa is located just about a 5-minute walk down the property towards the beach. Or, of course, you can just have a golf cart take you anywhere around the property you want. Okay, you want to go in? When you first walk in the front doors, you're immediately struck by the organic luxury of the space. From the bamboo walls and natural arch couches to the little nooks with product offerings and the details and all the decor, it really feels like you stepped inside some sort of luxury natural oasis. The staff are amazing, super friendly. They'll greet you with a welcome drink. Ours was strawberry hibiscus. All of this may leave you with some questions about the spa, so we did a ton of research ahead of time to see what everyone on Facebook and Reddit and YouTube is asking about the Away Spa, and then while we were there, we got the answers to all of those questions. Many of the spaces here have more than just aesthetic appeal, they also have cultural significance and meaning. This tile wall, for example, is representative of the Tempisque River, one of the most important natural features in Costa Rica's Guanacaste region. Each of these spaces, as well as the massage rooms themselves, are all in the shape of a cocoon, with the idea being that you come into the spa with stress and tension, and the space is meant to help you reset. As you step outside to the outdoor space, you'll find a relaxation deck with both a hot and cold plunge pool, a number of great spots to chill. Over here to the right, you'll find both an incredible steam room where you can soak up the steam, as well as a dry sauna just the other side here. They recommend a 5-minute rotation between the sauna, the steam room, the hot plunge, the cold plunge, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Down this way are the treatment rooms with dressing rooms for men and women here on the right. So you'll get changed in here and then wait in this beautiful space here where your therapist will come and get you for your treatment. The dressing rooms each have showers, all sorts of extra little amenities at the sinks, and programmable lockers for you to hide all your stuff while you get your massage treatment. The treatment rooms themselves are calm, cool, and dark. Dark enough that this video in there is actually really unhelpful, but you get the idea, and you're gonna have your eyes closed anyways. Can non-hotel guests book treatments at the Away Spa? Yes. So if you're staying nearby, like at the Westin or at an Airbnb in Reserva Conchal, you can actually book a treatment at the Away Spa. Can you walk in without a reservation? Yes, but you should make one if you can, and we'll talk more about why in our recommendations section at the end of the video. To get the current menu and pricing and the exact details, you can message the W's whatever whenever concierge here, or you can email the spa directly here. Here are our final thoughts after coming out from our massage just outside of the Away Spa. All right, we've just finished our massages at the Away Spa, and I am hardly feeling like filming a YouTube video. Very relaxed, super excellent massage. Just the music, the scents, the rooms are shaped like little cocoons, and you really do feel like you're coming out walking away just a little bit transformed from how you walked in. It was a metamorphosis.
It really was lovely. I've had a few massages in my day, and they were very professional, and the products that they used were very natural and clean instead of over perfumey or oily, and just very respectful and like I said, professional with the massage. It was a really great massage.
Our third piece of advice would just be to check out our other videos that would be helpful for you in the process. We put together both the ultimate guide to the W Costa Rica, which you can see here. There's also a number of mistakes that tourists typically make when planning their first trip to Costa Rica. You can avoid those by checking out this video here, where we walk you through each one of them and help you figure out how to avoid making those mistakes on your trip to Costa Rica. Have a great trip.